not least, number 4, lesson plan number 4. So for this lesson, the title for this lesson is called S'mores Math Place Value. And again, this is for 2nd grade. The length of this time is 1 hour. This also includes RTI time, the I do, we do, they do. So the length is 1 hour. The standards for this lesson, it's as follows. So operations and algebraic thinking, adding and subtracting. So fluently adding and subtracting within 20 using mental strategies, as well as mentally add 10 or 100 to a given number and subtract as well. Read and write numbers to 1000 using base 10 numbers, number names, and expanded form. So what students will start off with is they will have a pre-assessment of what they know of place values. So this is a form that I got off of Google, I believe Pinterest. This was not Teachers Pay Teachers. So students will complete this, and then this is on the IDEO. So students will complete this and their partners will check it, and as you're checking it, you will go over the vocabulary terms. Again, hundreds, tens, and ones, what we are working on. And then you will talk a little bit more of what's going to happen next and what more represents and what less represents, what place value is known to be. And so what we do is we will go into our RTI groups. We will get into our RTI groups and students will work together with a partner. Students will work together with a partner with one of these sheets. So they have their place values. And just like the riddle math, students will find the appropriate card and they will place it where it belongs. These are laminated as well. So 10 more of 326. What does that mean? Find it. 500 plus 90 plus 2. What's the place value? After this, they will have an assessment, and their summative assessment will be a Kahoot game that they will play with as a class. Now, I decided to do this because after a long week, I feel like a Kahoot could be really fun, especially as a summative assessment, and I will see where the students are, and you're able to do that within Kahoot. And I also wanted to incorporate a little bit more of technology into the math centers. And thank you so much for watching. That is all.